Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone screening slow issue after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that once you update to your phone is now running very slow or you are facing a laggy issue, so you just have to simply open your settings. The very first thing I recommend you have to go to battery saver and make sure that your battery saving mode is disabled because sometimes if you have enabled your battery saving mode, it will limit your CPU usage up to 70%. So once you have disabled this, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed here, so go to device care option here, click on device care, and then you click on memory. And in this section, you might see your junk data here. It might be more than this. So sometimes it happens that all junk data from your different apps and your system data, like if you have updated your phone, so some remaining data remains in this section. So you just have to click on this clean now and it will clean all the junk data from your phone. So once you have cleaned all the junk data, I recommend you have to make a restart with your phone. So just scroll on the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and now click on restart icon again. So it will make a restart with your phone, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.